solid yellow line, you can cross over that. If you do, you have to signal left just a little bit, and then signal right to get back over. That's only if there's a line.
Okay.
If there's no line, you don't have to worry about signaling. You just go around the parked vehicle. Technically, the line is there, of course, to separate traffic going in opposite directions. So whenever you cross over, you're indicating what you're doing, basically. Nice hill here. I used to walk the kids around here. I used to live on.
I've never been here. There's so many hills you can't see over.
A lot of foxes here. Used to be a lot of foxes.
Oh,
They'd
yeah?
be sitting on the wall here, watching us walk. Got a little nervous with my baby, you know.
Yeah.
So this warns you that there's a sharp corner ahead. Gives you a 25 suggested, more so for the winter time if it's slippery out. It's just a suggestion. It's not law. 25. The yellow signs are not law. They're just cautionary. The white signs, they're law. Hidden cache. It's probably not this one because we can see it. It's this one, so be prepared. Somebody may come out of this roadway at the last second. They may not see you until the last second. Road signs are your guides. People get tunnel vision. They just kind of look straight ahead and you don't see anything else. Let's make a right turn.
How often do you have to use your brake on your side?
Every day.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. Yep. Just yesterday we had to avoid a T-bone collision.
Oh wow. Was it like this person's fault or a different car?
The student was waiting to make a right turn at a red light, and you have to wait until the traffic's clear to your left.
Yeah.
And so she started to pull out. There was a car coming. I had to slam the brake on.
Oh.
I try to use it sparingly. I only use it if I really have to.
Yeah.
So far, so good. I haven't used it on you yet. See the little 3 or 2 on the pole? You know what that is?